Welcome viewers. In this video, we are going to learn about a Python code that will decide how many number of denominations, I mean you can say how many number of different denominations will be required to sum up a certain amount. So in this problem, what I have done is that I have taken a list that will contain number of denominations of different types like 500, 10, 200. So these are, you can say, think of a different nodes. Okay. And in the next line, in line number 3, I have taken an amount that is a target amount. So what our code is going to do is that we will have in the final result, we are going to have a Python dictionary. That dictionary will have some key value pairs where the key will be the nodes and the values will be the number of nodes that are required to fulfill this amount. So for that, first I have declared a Python code. That function I had named is as a calculate denominations, and this function will take two arguments. First is the nodes that will have those lists as you can see in line number 2, and the final amount. So once that is done, I have first I have taken a blank dictionary, an empty dictionary. In that I will have all those key value pairs. Once that is declared, then I have iterated over all the nodes, or you can say iterated over the list, and I will pick one node by another and I will do some kind of operation. Now the operation is that I will create a dictionary, and it will have key will be the node and the value. Now value is the number of time that node is required. Now what we are doing exactly in line number 11 is that we are just dividing the amount, the final amount divided by node. So in the first iteration our node is 500 and we are dividing is 1880 divided by 500. So we will get somewhere around 3 because we will take only the integer part of the divide operation. So once that is done, then we are reassigning or reassessing the amount value in line number 12. So basically in line number 12 what we are doing is that we are dividing the amount with node, or you can say by node, and we are taking only the remainder part of it. So our amount gets updated. So in the next iteration the new amount will be taking place with division operation with the node. So once that is done, in line number 12, in the next line, what I will do, I will just return the final dictionary. So I have skipped one point, that is this line number 10 will get iterated for all the nodes. So when it will exhaust all the elements in that nodes list, then we will come to line number 13. So once it exhausts all the values, or all the elements in that list, then line number 13 will get executed and it will return all the key value pairs. So in line number 15, I am calling the function that will have the arguments, that is nodes and the amount, and we will try to run it. So when we run it, there is a problem over here. We can see we are getting only 500 3 times, 10 30 times, 200 0, 100 0. So basically the whole problem is being solved with using only 500 nodes and 10 rupees nodes, that is 30 times. We haven't used any 20 rupees note, we haven't used any 50 nodes. So there's a problem over here, and the problem I will show you. The problem is that our dictionary is not sorted, so we have to sort our dictionary. So to sort a dictionary, I will inside that function I will just take the sorted function, or even sorted method, and I will pass the list inside it. So once I do it, then some part of the problem will get sorted. Now here you can see only I am using the 10 rupees nodes, but other nodes are not getting used. 100 is blank, 500 is blank, 200 is blank. So obviously there is some problem. So the problem is that we have to reverse the list. So we have to reverse the list in such a way that 500 comes first. So basically we have to reverse the list in a descending manner. So to reverse the list in a descending pattern, we have to pass an argument is in line number 10 that is reverse equal to true. So once we pass this argument reverse equal to true, then our all other problems will get solved. And you can see now we are getting the output, that is 500 3 times, 200 1 time, 100 also 1 time, 50 1 time, 21 time, and 10 1 time. So this is how we can calculate number of denominations that is required to fulfill a certain amount. So let's meet in the next video.